our neighbor here by the Crater of Diamond State Park in Murfreesboro, Arkansas is Mr. Mac Ray, and he has a sawmill. Today he is cutting up an oak log that is 92 years old. I think it died of old age. It grew in the Little Missouri River bottom near here. And it is 29 inches across, and I counted the rings. It has 92 rings.
Turn my water out.
Alrighty. Okay. And that slab he cut off, he will use as firewood. I'd like to say that Mac and I lifted that up, that I grabbed one end and he grabbed the other, but I wasn't able to lift my end. So actually Mac put it up there all by himself, but he used this skid steer with the forks. And I imagine what he's going to do now is turn that and cut off the other side and keep turning, and he'll soon have it down to just a square log that he can then cut into boards. So it'll make a lot of nice oak wood, and the leftover pieces will make firewood. He's pretty good with this skid steer. He's got a little block in it to keep it from rolling, and he put that block in there with the forks of that skid steer. So he's got other wood. He does some pine, and here's other oak piled up here. He keeps pretty busy, pretty active, always working on a project. He gardens as well and keeps his yard as nice as a golf course. Tomorrow is Mac's 82nd birthday, and he is a very active, young acting man, always working on something. That is a heavy log. He's had this sawmill since 2006, and it was used when he bought it. I have called Mac Walter Brennan. He looks like Walter Brennan to me. Let's see how he does this. That's all electric. And the blue bottle on the top is water, and he just keeps his saw blade cool with water. So it's a bandsaw blade that's water cooled. He cranks it down by hand to set the height on it. This is October 15th, 2022, and tomorrow is his 82nd birthday.
I may need you to block for me here.
Okay. All right, you roll it, I'll block it.